Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session from the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the earlier video where we talked about Washington, D.C. and the push for statehood. Now, let's test what you've learned. Is Washington, D.C. currently a U.S. state? No, it is a federal district, not a state. Do D.C. residents pay federal taxes? Yes, they pay federal taxes. Do D.C. residents have full voting representation in Congress? No, they do not have full voting representation. Does D.C. have more residents than Vermont? Yes, D.C. has more residents than Vermont. Did Congress pass a bill in 2021 to make D.C. a state? Yes, but it has not yet become law. Do D.C. residents elect senators? No, they do not have senators. Is the phrase taxation without representation linked to the D.C. statehood movement? Yes, it is an important slogan for supporters. Would making D.C. a state require a constitutional amendment? Some opponents argue that it would. Was D.C. originally part of Maryland? Yes, the land for D.C. originally came from Maryland. Is Washington, D.C. home to the White House and the U.S. Capitol? Yes, it is home to both. Remember to watch this video several times to reinforce what you've learned, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you stay tuned for the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.